Looking to bring eye-catching animation to your WordPress site effortlessly? In this video, we are diving into the Lottie files animation block from Nextblocks. Perfect for adding lightweight, scalable vector animation that plays on your website. Whether you are looking to play animation on scroll, on hover, or click, I'll guide you setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the Nextblocks Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Nextblocks Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Nextblocks Pro plugin, go to Nextblock, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here, select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Nextblocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it. You have successfully activated the Nextblocks Pro plugin. Step 2. Activate the Lottie files animations block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for Lottie file animation. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of Lottie animations block from Nextblocks. From the JSON input, you can add the Lottie file in two different ways. You can add the URL or you can add code directly. For URL, we have to add the Lottie file JSON URL. For code, we have to add the JSON code right over here. Let's see how you can find the JSON URL or the code. To get the Lottie file JSON URL or the code, you have to go to lottiefiles.com and you have to create a free account. Once you have created your account, go to the featured section. You will see different Lottie file animations over here. Click on the animation that you want to add, then click on download. It will ask you to save the animation in your workspace. Let's save it. Now in the download tab, you can click on this Lottie JSON file download to download the JSON file. Then you can open the JSON file in any code editor. We'll get the code that you can directly paste over here. Now for the JSON URL, go to the handoff tab, then enable asset CDN. Then from the asset link format, select Lottie JSON. This is your asset link. Simply copy it, then you can paste it over here. As you can see, the animation showing over here. Let's revert back to our old animation. Then from the load in backend toggle, you can show the Lottie file animation over here. In the main setting tab, you will find various settings related to the Lottie files. From the play on drop down, you have to select the trigger how the Lottie animation plays. Default will keep the Lottie file in default mode. From the autoplay option, you can automatically play the Lottie animation. From the loop animation toggle, you can keep the animation looping. From the total loop section, you can specify the number of time it will loop. Then from the animation play speed section, you can adjust the animation playing speed. Let's see other option. On hover, it will play on mouse hover. On click, it will play on mouse click. On column hover, it will play once you hover on the column where this Lottie file animation is placed. It will work in column layout only. Similarly, on section hover, it will play once you hover over the section. Then from mouse in out effect, it will play once on mouse in and out. Then from the scroll parallax, you can play the animation as you scroll down. We'll see this option later in this video. Then from the viewport based option, it will play once it enters the viewport. Let's keep it to autoplay for now. From the animation start time toggle, you can enter the keyframe where you want to start the animation. Then from the animation end toggle, you can specify the frame where you want the animation to end. Then from the URL toggle, you can add an URL to the Lottie animation. You can select any of normal or dynamic option. Then you have to paste the URL over here. In the click delay section, you can set a delay. You can set the time as per your animation duration. So even if someone clicks, it will complete your set duration, then it will redirect to the destination. From the ARIA label, you can add an ARIA label to improve the accessibility. From the animation renderer section, you can select how you want to render the Lottie files. You can render as an SVG element, or you can render it as a canvas element. From the heading toggle, you can add a heading to the Lottie animation. You can add that heading over here. Then from the description toggle, you can add a description as well. If you want to add URLs, you should select the play mode to on click to get the best output. If you select any option apart from default and autoplay, you should keep the loop animation toggle disabled to get the best output. Then from the layout options tab, you can align the Lottie animation. You can set the maximum width. You can set a minimum height as well. Now let's see the parallax scrolling effect. For that, we'll use this example. Let's select scroll parallax. We have disabled the loop animation as we have discussed earlier. From on scroll height section, you can set the height based on which the animation will play. You can set a custom height, or you can use the document height. For custom height, you can set the animation duration. You can also set an offset. If you select document height, we'll start and end the animation based on the entire document height. Let's use custom height and see how it plays. See, as we're scrolling, the animation is playing. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. From the heading options, you can adjust the heading typography. You can even use global typography as well. You can adjust the margin padding of the heading. You can adjust the text color background for normal and overstates. You will see this heading option if you have enabled this heading toggle. Similarly, if you have enabled the description toggle, you will see this description option. From here, you can adjust the description typography, margin padding. You can adjust the text color, background color for normal and overstates. If you have enabled the heading and description toggle, you will see this content background option. From here, you can adjust the margin padding of this container. You can adjust the background for normal and overstates. You can add border radius, box shadow. Then from the Lottie styles tab, you can add different filters to the Lottie animation, to the Lottie files. You can add filter and opacity for normal and overstates. You can set transition duration as well. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling option to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the Lottie animations block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.